You got me feeling so smooth, like a warm sunny day on a Sunday afternoon. Let's jump in the ride, let's drive, let's take a cruise. And we're cruising together along the coast and drop the roof, hit the three-wheel motion. 64 Chevy is how we be floating. Eyes on the road so you know we stay focused. Conversing on a level of two spiritual poets. Your love is vivid, we're living, we're trying to get it. Always giving you love and time, that's why we're winning. We're intertwined like the signs of the west side. Your west pride will help to ease the pain and live your best life. Everything I got, I'ma give to you. All you gotta do is just stay true. My baby from the east, I'm from the west.
Everyone, to this exciting video presentation on opening a high capital Forex account with OspreyFX. If you're looking to take your Forex trading to the next level and maximize your potential profits, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to open a high capital Forex account with OspreyFX and explore the benefits it offers. Let's get started. First things first, what is OspreyFX? OspreyFX is a leading online Forex broker known for its reliability, transparency, and cutting-edge trading technology. Whether you're an experienced trader or new to the world of Forex, OspreyFX has something to offer everyone. Now, you might be wondering why you should open a high capital account with OspreyFX. Well, there are several compelling reasons. 1. Access to premium features. High capital accounts come with a range of premium features, including personalized customer support, lower spreads, and priority access to new trading tools and resources. 2. Enhanced trading conditions. With a high capital account, you'll enjoy more favorable trading conditions, such as higher leverage ratios and reduced trading costs. 3. Diversification opportunities. High capital accounts enable you to diversify your trading portfolio and explore a wider range of trading instruments, from major currency pairs to commodities and indices. Opening a high capital account with OspreyFX is a straightforward process. Here are the steps. Step 1. Visit the OspreyFX website. Head over to the OspreyFX website to get started. Step 2. Sign up. Click on the Sign Up button and fill out your information to create an account. Step 3. Verify your identity. Complete the required identity verification process to ensure the security of your account. Step 4. Deposit funds. Transfer the desired capital into your account using one of the convenient deposit methods offered by OspreyFX. Step 5. Contact your account manager. Once your account is funded, you'll be assigned a dedicated account manager who will assist you in tailoring your trading experience to your needs. Opening a high capital account with OspreyFX not only grants you access to premium features but also comes with these benefits. Security. OspreyFX places a high priority on the security of your funds and personal information. Your investments are safe and secure. Education and resources. Gain access to a wealth of educational materials, webinars, and market analysis to help you make informed trading decisions. User-friendly platform. OspreyFX offers a user-friendly trading platform that is suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. In conclusion, opening a high capital Forex account with OspreyFX can be a game changer for your trading journey. The enhanced features, trading conditions, and dedicated support will empower you to reach your financial goals faster and more efficiently. Take the next step toward your financial success by visiting the OspreyFX website and starting the account opening process today. Thank you for watching this presentation on opening a high capital Forex account with OspreyFX. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our team. Happy trading!